Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to see how we can find the maximum of given set of numbers using Python. So let's get started. Let's see, we have three input numbers 3, 8 and 4. So in this case, the greatest number out of these three is 8. So the output is 8. So there may be any set of numbers 3, 2 or 4. Let's see how to approach this problem statement. So let's first check what if there are two numbers and we have to find the largest of these two. So let's say we have 3 and 8. So the greatest of these two is 8. To check this, first we will check with an if condition. So we will use if condition to see if A is greater than B. So A is 3 and B is 8. So we will use if condition and say A is greater than B. If this is true, if it's true, then we will print A, else B. So if it's true, then we'll print A, else we will print B. So this is the logic behind checking the greatest number out of two numbers. Next is, how do we deal if we have three numbers, as in this case 3, 8, 4, output is 8. So here we have to put 2 times conditioning. First we will check, we have A, B, C. So first we will hold A and we will see if A is greater than B as well as A is greater than C. If both the conditions are true, then we will directly print A is the greatest. So we'll check A is greater than or equal to B, A is greater than or equal to C. Then print A. Next, if this is not true, if one of the condition is failing or both the conditions are failing, so if one is failing, in this case, or both are failing, in any of the case, it will go to the next check. That is, again A, B, C. Now what it will do is, it will hold B and it will check if B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So this kind of check will be done. And the next, if this is true, then print B is the largest. If any of this condition fails, like B is not greater than A or B is not greater than C or B is not greater than both A and C, then we'll go to the else condition and we will print C is the greatest. So in this case, A is the greatest, this condition satisfies B is the greatest, or else we can safely say that C is the greatest. And third way, if we have any number of input numbers 2, 3, 4, any number, we can use max function. So we need not write all this logic. It's an inbuilt function in Python which we can use and pass the numbers as arguments in this function and we'll get the results. Now let's go into the Python code and see how this can be achieved. So first we will see for two numbers. Okay, so A equals to 1, B equals to 6. So the logic was A is greater than or equal to B, then largest is A, else B is largest, and finally we will print largest. Next is for three numbers. We'll see the logic for three numbers. Okay, same as we had discussed. A equal to 1, B equals to 6 and C equals to 3. In this case, B is the largest, we can see, but in program wise, let's see if A is greater than or equal to B. So in this case, 1 and B is 6. 1 is greater than or equal to 6. No, this is not satisfying. A is greater than or equals to C. 1 is greater than or equals to 3. No, this is also failing. So it will skip and this won't be executed. Okay, and it will come over to this. So over here, what it will check? B is greater than or equal to A. Then yes, 6 is greater than or equals to 1. It's true. And B is greater than or equal to C. 6 is greater than or equal to 3. This is also true. As both are true, so we will come and store largest equals to B. So largest equals to B, which is nothing equals but equals to 6. So it will skip this. It will skip and directly from here it will come to the print statement. And here the largest, which is nothing but 6, will get printed. That 6 is the largest of all the three numbers. So the logic is, if both the conditions are true, as we are using an AND, then only the largest will be printed, or else if it go to the next condition, else it will print largest as C. Okay. Now let's go and check out the max function. So as I said, in max function we can pass the numbers, all the numbers, be it of any number 2, 3 or n numbers, as arguments to this inbuilt max function in Python, and that will return the largest number. So here we have A is 10, B is 14, C is 12 and D is 13. So we can print the largest by passing all these numbers as arguments to the max. So we can pass n number of arguments to this max function, and finally we will get the result. So hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Happy learning. Thank you.